This video will show you how to connect a Nikon total station with a Carlson data collector using Bluetooth. The first thing we're going to do is set up the Nikon total station with the proper settings for a Bluetooth connection. From the main screen where we have our horizontal and vertical angles, you will select the menu key. Next you will select the 3 key on the keyboard to go into settings. Then you will select the 5 key on the keyboard for COM communications. Now that we're in the communication settings screen, we need to make sure our settings are set similar to what is shown here on the screen. The external communication needs to be set for Nikon, and if it's not set for Nikon, use the left or right arrow key to toggle that setting until it says Nikon. Then you can hit either the up or down arrow to get to the port selection and make sure that it says Bluetooth or BT to control, depending on which instrument you have. Once the screen is set up properly, you can hit the Enter key to get back to the main angle screen, and this will complete the Bluetooth settings for the Nikon total station. Now that we have set the Bluetooth settings in the Nikon total station, we are going to set up our Bluetooth settings in our Carlson data collector. From the main menu, we are going to go to Equipment menu and then go to Total Station. Under the current page, we want the manufacturer to be Nikon. We want the model to be the Nikon model that you have. Then we will go to the comms page. We want the type to be Bluetooth and the Bluetooth type to be Windows Mobile, then we will select the config icon. This will take us into the Bluetooth manager, and we are going to select Find Device. The Carlson data collector will now scan for close by Bluetooth devices. Find your Nikon in the list and select it. Then select the check mark and it will add to the device list. Next, we will select this Bluetooth icon. Now you can see the Nikon has been selected as the current device. We will now go back to current page and save these settings. Hit save and then type in a name for this Nikon total station. Then select the check mark to save it. The Bluetooth settings for the Nikon are now saved in Carlson, so if someone came in and changed these settings, you simply just double tap on the configuration and say yes, and it will load everything back properly. For a final check, we can select the total station icon, and that will confirm that we have communication with the total station with a successful connection message. We have now completed adjusting the settings in a Nikon total station and a Carlson data collector. We can now use them together through Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, and please call Allen Precision at 1-800-241-6223 for more tech support or questions about your setup. You can also email us at support@allenprecision.com.